make it the same. So
That's
but,
true.
we're going to get in a fight over here. So
You'll hear slapping. Just do it, do it.
and I don't know where that's at. Oh, I need Patrick to point that out again.
It's really cool. I have a laser pointer.
Oh, okay, there it is.
Beauty.
Let's see. Much better.
Oh,
Much better. Okay. You could center align the table, do you think?
Yeah, we should probably put the name in there. We could even put the name in there and not the SKU, because the customer, they don't know what a SKU means. Just a thought.
Good point. But remember, how do we do that?
Yeah, you have to pass the name into the cart when you add the item to the cart. Or we could do a lookup.
There you go. Look up. I was testing you a little bit.
A little bit.
We'll just do another look at what Patrick wants to do. Is he wants to, instead of the SKU, we want to put the title in that field.
That's the not found.
That's the not found.
Yeah,
Right.
return.
Return
There it
fields. Title. And these are kind of just fluff. They don't really do anything in this case, but
Could put SKU there, so if it doesn't have a name, it just has a SKU.
yeah, what I'm saying is that case should never show itself. So, but okay, so now we have the name.
Yep.
So let's save that.
Oh, nice.
It's not too bad. Now with the longer name, I almost want it left aligned at this point. Either that or stretch it out a little bit more. Let's do width equals 80%. How about 90%? We need to get back to more WebDNA. Okay, this is looking not too bad. So
Nice.
and now when we, yeah, we can live with this. All right, so the idea is the user can now edit the cart, or has the page to edit the cart. So we need to build those features. I think we'll do that, and then we'll take a break.
Mm-hmm.
Does that sound good? Okay. So we need to do both delete and edit using what's passed as far as quantity. So let's do that. The first thing I'll do is we've got our input, form input, but we don't have the rest of the form specification here. So form method equals post, and action equals checkout.dna. And the first thing I'll do is do a hidden input to enact the action. Edit cart. And then down at the bottom, we do already have a submit there, so I just need to close off the form.
Should we think about changing that term to update cart? I know it's nitpicky, but then it matches with
Right here?
Yeah.
Sure.
And then
If you like.
only because it seems to match more what websites.
All right, so right after the session, right after the session stuff, or somewhere near the top, above the content, we'll create the edit cart functions.
I think our body head actually has a lot of content in it.
Yes, but it shouldn't matter, just as long as we're doing it above the order file.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be fine. Okay, so created a flag called A action. So show if A action equals edit card, I think it was.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to do form. Since everything is all the edits are being done based on whatever the quantity is that's passed, right off we're going to start with grabbing the form variables that are passed over. Form variables, and I think we're starting them with the set quantity underscore. So up here, wherever I put that code, there it is. Name equals set quantity, and exact equals false.
So that form variables is going to display every form variable whose name has set quantity in it. By specifying exact equals false, we don't have to account for the number. But it will loop through them in the same order that they appear on the page.
So we can show that by that's actually not exactly true, but it loops through all the set quantity underscore variables. But the index, I think, is more platform. It doesn't have to do with the way that they're put in.
Oh, they're not in that same order.
They're not. This wouldn't necessarily be the same order as what's in the order file context or file, order file. There we go. So just to show you what Patrick was talking about, I'll just hit an edit cart here. Oh, we didn't specify. Did we? Let's see. Why wasn't that doing anything? So we got the form, method equals post, action equals checkout, and we have a action equals edit cart, and we have oops. Oh. Let's see. Form there. I don't know what happened. Now let's try it again. So I'm going to refresh this page, and then I'm going to hit. Oh, that's what. I don't think we had the page refreshed. Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that it is the form variables is finding all of these products and the quantity that's being passed. So we'll create the remove and the edit based off of whatever the value is coming, whatever the value is that's coming through. So we're going to do show if set quantity underscore equals, we'll do the edits first, is greater than 1.
I think you want to do name.
Or greater than 0, right? So name or value is greater than 0. We'll get there. Between the two of us, we'll get there.
So each form variable has a name and a value. The name we know is set quantity 1 through however many. The value is the quantity. So we want to look at the value as it loops through each name.
So here we know the first step is we know we're not deleting this cart item that was passed because the quantity is still greater than 0. So we're going to actually use another command here to set this cart to its new or the same value.